What's your name?
Som Bahadur Tamang.
Som Bahadur, how old are you?
24 years.
24. Married?
Unmarried.
Okay. Do you work any other country before?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. In Malaysia, what is your job experience?
Plastic company.
You work in a plastic company. What you have to do with the plastic company?
Total plastic packing. Plastic packing.
Okay. How many years you work there?
3 years old.
3 years. Okay. You married?
No, unmarried.
Unmarried? Okay. And you work hard there or you work easy?
Work hard.
Yes. How many hours you work there?
Sometime 12 hours, sometime 8 hours.
Okay. In Romania, the fixed hours is 12. Okay.
Yeah.
And you have to work hard. Okay. And you cannot work slow. They don't like the slow worker. Okay. And if you go Romania, how many years you want to work?
2 years, 3 years.
No problem.
No problem.
You are medically fit?
Yeah.
No any medical problem?
No.
Okay. What is your school education?
School education.
5, 6, 7, how?
SLC.
Class 10 pass?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.